Actually, do you ever think of auditioning for Chinese drama like this?
Ano, kamukha mo siya, Jackie Chan.
Uy, marunong ka mag-kung fu?
Sample nga, sample.
Sample.
Oh! Si Bruce Lee.
Grabe, 1-inch punch. Kamukha mo nga yung isang C-drama na pinapanood ko right now.
Anong C-drama yan?
Ito, Chinese drama. Guardians of the Dafeng, bro. Medyo astig nga eh, actually. Ito, medyo kamukha mo to. Ito, medyo kamukha mo. Side by side mo. Ayun, no? Recreate mo nga tong scene na to. Nandito na yung juice natin, guys. Bruh.
请大家玩一个游戏。Sige, parang hingi na lang more.
Bruh.
Okay ba yun, guys?
Grabe, sobrang professional. Comment down below kung maganda yun, guys, yung recreation.
Favorite scene ko yung nahulog si Adrian. Huh? Adrian.
Anong show yung ni-recreate natin? Papanoorin ko.
Bro, ito lang yun, Guardians of the Dafeng on View.
View?
View. You can either download the app or sa website like what I'm doing right now.
View?
View it on
You're
View.
my best view.
Yes, you can view all the C-dramas in View.
View nga.
Ganda ng view.
Actually, guys, you can use the code C-Drama on View and redeem it at this website to claim a free 7-day premium subscription. So,
As simple as that, ha?
super simple.
Pag-view nga.
But View, ito nga yung View.
If you guys want to watch my friend Kobe on View. Manifesting, guys. One day sa C-drama.
Yung nga guys, you can watch the Guardians of the Dafeng and other C-dramas in View. Sobrang daming varieties, sobrang daming categories.
Sobrang dami ng kamukha. Guys, yun racist Chinese ako.